Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we just saw the death of GoPro. And that, the GoPro's had several failed products. They've had the Karma, the drone, bye-bye. The Fusion 360 looks like it could be the next death product for GoPro. Look at this, Insta360 One. Yeah, it's $299, okay? Now, if we go here, if I can get this to work, you go here, the GoPro Fusion 360-degree camera, $699. Okay, well, big deal, right? Okay, the GoPro does pretty cool stuff. Well, the Insta360 One right now is being updated with this new technology called flow state stabilization. And it sounds just like they're just, making a trademark here, but take a look at this. The camera, the Insta360 camera, has had several updates, and with each update, there's significant changes in that camera that make it a lot better. The previous update we just had did improve the picture quality, and now with this update, it looks like they're really pushing it to another level. Take a look at this flow state introduction here. Here we go. Get you a better view here. Look at that. Okay, here it goes. It's tracing that woman. So wherever she moves, look at that. Who needs a drone, right? Man, that looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? Yep, so I got two of these things, and like I said, each update they do is getting better and better. Bullet time is extremely cool. This new stabilization looks outstanding. Smart Track looks really good. Live 360 broadcasting comes with, you can get all these accessories. Waterproof housing, tripod, drone mode thing, helmet, selfie stick. This thing is amazing. It is my favorite fun camera. You have your solid Sonys, your Sony, your Yorax 100s, your power cameras, we'll call them, and then you just have your fun cameras. And this is a fun camera. Just throw it in your pocket, and bada bing. Yeah, I love this camera. It's my favorite camera. So keep an eye out for it. Releasing this on March 23rd. It's March 20th now. So 2018. I have high hopes for this. It looks like it's going to be great. Bye-bye, GoPro.